This is my most favorite cookie, raspberry lemon cookies. They are sweet, tart, and soft cookies. Yes, in the right amount of sugar. 2.5 cups of flour. I used half cup of sugar, half cup of butter. And again, this is my second recipe, blueberry cream pockets. Overall, it looks good. I'm going to serve it now. Hello. Welcome to my cooking channel, Meda's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am cooking, today I'm planning two desserts. One is my favorite, lemon raspberry cookies, and second one I am making a blueberry cream pockets. So first I am going to make lemon raspberry cookies. So let's start with that. And both cooking time is same and baking temperature is also same. So I am preparing and baking it together in the oven so I can save some energy. That's my plan. And my daughter is coming next week, so I'm just preparing the desserts for, she's coming home in 2 days, so I'm making these desserts. I already started with half a cup of butter here. For making soft cookies, we have to whisk um, butter and sugar together. So I have half a cup of butter and I am adding half cup of sugar into that. And I forgot to tell you one important part. I am making eggless cookies. So we are not adding egg into that. So this process is very important to whip it to the level it is completely kind of puffy. So I am using 2.5 cups of flour here. I'm going to mix it with that. I am adding little condensed milk for that cream taste. For this we have to use one zest of a lemon. I washed it in hot water, so all the whites and everything is gone. So we are taking out the zest of one lemon into this. And then we will use half a lemon juice also, half of the lemon. That's my plan. I am using baking powder and baking soda, half a teaspoon each. I almost took all of the lemon zest. So with the dry ingredients, I am adding dry ingredients first to this mixture, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking soda, actually baking powder, into that, and then I'm slowly going to mix this. I'm just gently mixing it, then I'm whisking it with the thing. I'm just gently mixing it, just incorporating the butter and flour so the flavors will go all the place. Half a cup of baking soda also. So the dry ingredients are combined very well now. So into that, for an eggless cookie, this is the texture we want to make a soft cookie. So soft crumble cookie. So look at this, without any moisture. This is the consistency we want. I will mix that butter into this flour. Into this, now we are going to add the wet ingredients. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, couple of teaspoons of condensed milk. This will give it a nice creamy taste. So 2 teaspoons of condensed milk here, and a little bit of milk. I'm not adding too much milk, just enough to make it into a mix so I can work with it. So we are not adding egg, so it needs some moisture to hold. So just not even 1/4 cup of this coming now consistency I need. And now I'm going to add half of the already used lemon. Just be careful With the seeds, you take that seeds out. Should have taken its juice separate. Half of the lemon juice, that's what I added, and this will give it a nice sweet tart taste. Now I'm going to use a mold. I will combine it, and then I will use a mold raspberry lemon cookie. We don't want to mix it too much at this point because we already with the butter. We don't want to make this flour develop the gluten, so we are just mixing enough so the moisture goes in every part of this, all this combined very well. And we don't want to bleed this mix also, so I am not adding my raspberry at this time. It's always use your raspberries uh, in the freezer before you add it into the mix. So that's what I'm going to do. I have all this frozen, so I'm adding it at this point. I need a little more milk to loosen. That's it. Everything, just very lightly combine everything, and then I'm going to use a mold to the baking sheet. Because once it bakes, it will come into a nice shape anyway. And I will show you once I finish everything. And on top of this, you can sprinkle some sugar, or you can use an ice cream scoop and use that, but I like to make everything into shape. For the cream, blueberry cream pockets, I am going to use the whole blueberries. This is butter pastry, bit nice, like a little heap. It's already in good shape. I'm keeping it in the butter paper itself, so it's easy to handle. This is the easiest recipe that you can make. Everything you have to arrange it properly, it won't touch each other. How much blueberries you want, going to stack up a few more on top. The remaining, whatever remaining, you can eat them. It's not going to waste. Go. This is how I like to have my. I am not going to add sugar into it. How much you can put, you try put that, because once you cook it, it will be very small. And just add a little bit of flour, so it will give that gooiness. Just a little bit of that flour will hold that juices from the blueberries once it bakes. So I'm just adding a little bit of flour. I have this condensed milk. I'm adding 1 spoon on top. It has to be on top. Do it fast because we have to cover it before it spread too much. So I am going to cover it like this. We will seal it fast, very important, because you don't want any of that good liquid to go out, then your baking will be ruined. Just press it in the middle also. And now we have to cut it like that. Seal the ends, that's very critical. You have to seal the ends because we don't want any liquid to ooze out. I have the pockets ready. I'm just sprinkling some sugar on top. If you want, you can brush a little bit of this condensed milk also. That will give it a nice color once it bakes. This is my most favorite cookie, raspberry lemon cookies. They are sweet, tart, and soft cookies. And I didn't add too much sugar in it because I don't like too much sweetness. It's perfect for a coffee or tea. Yes, in the right amount of sugar. 2.5 cups of flour. I used half cup of sugar, half cup of butter. And again, this is my second recipe, blueberry cream pockets. Overall, it looks good. I'm going to serve it now. So this is my today's recipe, lemon raspberry cookies and blueberry cream pockets. It's a quick easy snack, tea time snack. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please comment it, and if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in another interesting recipe soon. Thank you.